Need to modify PDF without changing metadata? We provide professional PDF editing services using official Adobe Acrobat software for pixel-perfect and secure results. If you want to modify PDF without changing metadata, our expert team carefully edits files while preserving the original structure, fonts, layout, and metadata integrity. Many online tools damage formatting, but we professionally modify PDF without changing metadata using advanced manual editing techniques. We can modify PDF without changing metadata for invoices, utility bills, agreements, resumes, bank statements, transcripts, contracts, offer letters, receipts, proposals, and more. Our editing process protects original quality, background textures, alignment, and watermark details. Whether your file is scanned, photographed, folded, blurry, or watermark protected, we can modify PDF without changing metadata accurately and confidentially. We use Adobe Acrobat official software and Photoshop for detailed editing work. Our services include changing names, addresses, dates, ID numbers, amounts, signatures, phone numbers, emails, photos, and other editable content. If you need to modify PDF without changing metadata urgently, we offer fast delivery within 30 minutes to 2 hours with unlimited revisions and 24/7 support.